Hello, dear children. In continuation of the chapter A Game of Chance, let's start where we left in the previous one. I wanted to try my luck too. I looked at Bhaiya, he encouraged me. The child was looking for long that everybody was getting good prizes from the game of Lucky Shop. And he also wanted to try his luck. And his bhaiya also encouraged him. I paid 50 paise and took 6 dice. My luck was not good. I got 2 pencils. The shopkeeper bought them from me for 25 paisa. I tried again. This time I got a bottle of ink, also of value. The shopkeeper bought that too for 25 paise. I took a chance for the third. Still, luck was not with me. See, when the child tried his luck, first he got pencil that was 25 rupees worth, 25 paisa worth. Again, an ink bottle that is also 25 paisa worth. It means both the time shopkeeper was lucky, not he himself. He tried once again and this time also the luck was not favoring him. I had hopes of winning a big prize and continued to try my luck again and again. He wanted to get something big as he had seen others were doing. But he was paying 50 paisa each time and every time he was getting a small thing. But every time I got a trifle meaning a small thing. At last I was left with only 25 paise. Again the shopkeeper showed his kindness. At last only 25 paisa left with him. But this time also the shopkeeper showed his kindness towards him and told him, I could either play once more with 25 paise or settle the account then and there. I played again and that last 25 paisa also disappeared. The shopkeeper gave me a chance to play once more and that last 25 paisa also disappeared. People were looking at me. Some were laughing at my bad luck. But none showed any sympathy. Everybody was looking at him that the child had lost so much amount there. Everybody was laughing but nobody showed any sympathy on the child. Bhaiya and I went to the place where uncle had left us and waited for him to return. Now Bhaiya went there where uncle told him to wait. So presently he came. He looked at me and said, Rashid, you look upset. What is the matter? Now, uncle came and uncle asked him, saying, Rashid, what's the matter? Why are you looking so sad and upset? I did not say anything. Bhaiya told him what had happened. Rashid was too upset to express anything, but Bhaiya told him what had happened. Uncle was neither angry nor sad. Uncle was neither angry nor sad because he knew. He smiled and patted me. He took me to a shop and bought me a beautiful umbrella, biscuits and sweets and some other little gifts. Then we returned home. Uncle did not say anything but he was smiling. He took me to a shop and he purchased one beautiful umbrella for me, biscuits, sweets and some more small things. And then they came back from the shop. Back home, uncle told me that the lucky shopman had made a fool of me. See, this used to be the trick applied by the shopkeepers because first when he noticed Rashid was showing some interest in the shop. So that time he showed the people who were winning very good amount prizes. But actually, that was only his befooling tricks. This way, he was trying to befool Rashid so that he would get excited and would try his luck. No, uncle, I said, it was just my bad luck. But he said, no, it was not so. It was his bad luck. No, my boy, said uncle. It was neither good luck nor bad luck. But uncle, I said, I saw an old man getting a clock and a boy getting 2 or 3 costly things. Then he told to his uncle that it was not so. He himself had seen one old man won one clock, one other boy was also able to win some good costly prizes. You don't know, child, uncle said. They were all friends of the shopkeeper. So they won. But actually that was not the winning, but that was the trick, that was the trap they had used to entrap the innocent people. They were playing tricks to tempt you to try your luck because you had seen that benefits. That is why you went to try your luck. So they were tempting you to try your luck. They wanted your money and they got it. They wanted your money and they got successful. Now forget about it and don't tell anybody of your bad luck or your foolishness. Uncle said it was nothing bad luck. It was only your foolishness. So it's better you are not sharing it with anyone. So dear children, this lesson is giving us a message, especially at the fairs, small places as well as in big places also. They are telling you it's your luck, but actually it's not luck, but it's a matter of their business tricks only. They are trying to entrap you by showing your luck, but actually it's their entrapping way. Thank you everyone. I hope you followed the lesson very well.